h parameters in terms of z parameters. We start the conversion process from the two defining equations for z parameters, which are given by v1 equals z11 i1 plus z12 i2, and the second equation v2 equals z21 i1 plus z22 i2. And on the other hand, we have that two defining equations for h parameters. We have v1 equals h11 i1 plus h12 v2. The second equation i2 equals h21 i1 plus h22 v2. So these z parameter equations should be written in terms of this one, so that we can compare both the equations, and then we will have that h parameters in terms of z parameters. Let's see what happens. See, here v1 is v1, okay, i1 is i1, but this v2 and i2 are mismatching. With the help of this second equation, we substitute i2 from this very equation. So over here z22 from this very equation, z22 i2 will be this positive as it is plus v2. Shifting this z21 i2 over this side, this will be minus z21 i1, and writing that expression for i2, simply i2, this will be by z22 v2 by z22. Now this expression i2, which is i2, is substituted over here, and let's see what happens with that substitution. v1 will be equal to z11 i1, that's okay, plus z12. In terms of i2, we're gonna substitute this entire expression, this one, into minus of z21 on z22 i1 plus v2 on z22 when we substitute that expression for i2, and v1 will be equal to z11 from here, like we have i1 over here in this term and also in this term. So taking out i1 as common from this one and this one, we're gonna have z11 minus of z21 on z22, all right, and this is multiplied with this one into, like, okay, this term should be multiplied with this one. It is z12 from here, these both are multiplied, and then we're going to have that i1 plus z12 on z22 v2. Now this very expression can be compared with this one, and in that way, like v1 is okay. Now v1, like this expression over here, v1 equals h11, no, with another color so that it will be easier to identify. v1 equals h11 i1 plus h12 v2. See, so this part will be our h11 with a substitution, and this part will be our v2. I'm sorry, for h12, not v2. A small correction over here. This part will be h12. On the other half, this is for h11 and h12. How about this one? How to evaluate h21 and h22 in terms of z parameters? Simply by comparing this expression with this one, which we have already rewritten for i2. Now i2 from that expression, i2 will be equal to minus of z21 on z22 i1 plus 1 on z22 v2. So in this expression we can compare that h21 is minus of this one and h22 is 1 on z22. So this is how we express h parameters in terms of z parameters. That's it.